5 hidden tricks on your iPhone you need to know. Apple's mobile devices are known for their productivity abilities. There are lots of hidden features that can revolutionize your iPhone or iPad experience. Have you considered checking out these 5 cool iPhone tricks? According to step-by-step guide, you can easily get to know about these iPhone tricks. Number 1. Quick contact access. Add a contact widget to your home screen for one-tap calling to your favorite contacts. Just edit the widget and enable the Show Buttons option. Number 2. Speed up your iPhone. If your iPhone's running slow, it might be due to a full RAM. Clear it by enabling Assistive Touch in Settings, then press Volume Up, Volume Down, and hold the power button. Once the slider appears, press the home button for 30 seconds to clear the RAM and boost speed. Number 3. Voice note transcription in iMessage. Receive voice notes in iMessage. Now, you also get a text transcription, so you don't need to listen to the audio. Number 4. Quick navigation in Settings. No need to tap back repeatedly in the Settings app. Press the back button to jump directly to any previous menu. Number 5. Effortless Wi-Fi sharing. When a friend needs your Wi-Fi password, bring your iPhone near theirs. A pop-up will appear on your device, allowing you to share the Wi-Fi without revealing the password. Now you're aware of these cool iPhone tricks to try on your iPhone to access things easily.